Hi my YouTube family. So today we're going to do a no makeup look. We start by applying primer for my skin type and then an orange color corrector for my dark circles under my eyes and around my nose and lips area and under the lips. Nicely blend that out. Then you start with applying a foundation. Start with the larger portions of your face so that you can evenly distribute all the product around the face. Once that's all blended out, now put on your concealer and highlight the high points of your face. Nicely blend that all in. Blending completely is a major key in getting a flawless base. Apply your cream contour under your cheekbone, on your nose, and also apply it on your jawline so you can get a chiseled jawline. Blend that in a back and forth motion. Now you can powder the face to make sure that all the product on the face settles in well. Apply powder contour on the places that you put the cream contour on. Then you can highlight the high points of your face. Then blush. And now we move on to our nude lipstick. And make sure to do a nice liner. Here you can use either a liquid liner or felt tip liner, whatever you're comfortable with. Curl your lashes, put mascara on. Now brush your eyebrows before you fill them in. Now pick the correct color for your brows and fill them in very well. And we're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon